Hey guys, in this video I will be quickly sharing to you on how you can easily fix an error occurred on your Windows 11. Okay, so let's just simply go to search bar. Let's type control panel, click on it. Let's just expand this one and then go to network and internet. Hit network and sharing center, and then on the left pane you have to look for change adapter settings. Click on it. And then we have to double click on Wi-Fi, go to properties. Here we have to click on Internet Protocol version 4, go to properties, and then we have to make sure that the option that says use the following DNS server addresses is chosen. And the preferred DNS server, we have to type 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, we have to type 8.8.4.4. And then we have to check validate settings upon exit, and then we have to click on OK, hit close, wait for this for a while, and then we have to choose close the troubleshooter, exit, and then you're good to go. Okay, so if you want to watch more videos like this, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.